Hey guys, just want to show you how we get riprap limestone in the backyard when you don't have easy access. We've made some ramps for our barge to show you the fabrication of them and how we put them in, and also how we get the rock loaded on the barge and installed in the backyard. This project here will be coming up next. We're over in Santa Rosa Shores right now, excavating the side of a hillside. We got a vinyl seawall going into the water's edge and an upland wooden retainer wall. This is how we deliver a rock to someone's backyard via the barge. That's how we get the rocks from the truck over to our barge. We got a ramp built that connects to our barge. Bring it on out and dump it on the back side of the barge. We carry about 30 tons of rock on here. We only take up about 1.5 to 2 foot of water. Once we get the barge moved over to the location to dump them off, we take the track hoe, pick the rock up and place them in front of the seawall. really watch backing off this thing. It's really hard to see that ramp, so kind of get it squared up, lined up, and come on off. We got about 3/4 of the truckload on here. We got some low tides over here, so we're not loading down the barge right now. Want to make sure that we can make it in there and not be dragging bottom. Once we get all the quarried limestone in place, we physically get in the water and hand stack the rocks, try to give it a much neater looking appearance and try to get all the little areas filled up and be consistent form all the way across the front of the seawall. got this job wrapped up. I think it'll turn out looking real good. Definitely going to give them a lot of protection against the wave action with the winds coming out of the north. It'll break the waves up, keep them from spraying up all over the glass, and also prevent any additional erosion along the front of the seawall. Hey y'all, thanks for checking out my videos. If you would, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. Give me the thumbs up, notification bell. You'll be notified on the next project over here in Santa Rosa Shores. Thanks.